What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Before we jump into revealing this mini excavator we got from Whistling Diesel, we got to talk about BruceWilsonShop.com and our giveaway, guys. This buggy is still up for grabs at BruceWilsonShop.com. The Losi DBXL 2.0 RC Desert Buggy and $1,500 in cash. But we've also got some sweet new merch coming out. We've got new Will It Start key tags. We got the OGs still. We've got blue with black outline, red with black outline, and black with red outline. Some awesome Will It Start key tags, guys. You can get these on the website. We've got a one-of-a-kind, one-of-one hat, Tratter Taxi hat, which is a stretch fit snapback flat bill. Gonna be going in a very special mystery box. You guys have been buying those things up like crazy. So, like I said, Bruce Wilson Shop, mystery box, one of these hats, this very hat, autograph's gonna be going in a mystery box. And we've got a brand new t-shirt we're releasing, the Bruce Wilson Business Expense Pulling Truck t-shirt. Check that thing out. Brand new shirt, guys, only available at BruceWilsonShop.com. Every dollar spent gets you entered to win this bad boy, batteries and charger, and $1,500 in cash, guys. Go to BruceWilsonShop.com and grab your merch. Let's jump into the video. What's up, everybody? We bought Whistling Diesel's mini Chinese excavator. We're about to unload this thing and see if there's any damage done and start messing around with it.
Oh.
First things first, they shortened the roll cage on it so that it would look smaller for the video, I think. And I can't do anything. We're gonna have to pull this thing up there and take it off.
Oh yeah.
I don't even know how to start it. No start. Oh, battery switch maybe.
Oh, that's cool.
Woo! Shoot. This is so sketchy. Just in case. Dang it, what the heck? Oh, they're bent. Bent. Well, there it is. It only goes like 1 mile an hour. We got to tear into this thing. Because you guys see in the video, he abused this thing. Rolled it off the back of a truck. Did all kinds of stuff. I already see some issues right off the rip. Look at this. This pin right here for the main boom is about to fall out of it. We need to check the oil because you guys seen when he laid this thing backwards. It's got a little Briggs engine in there. Smells like it's been burned oil. You see oil all over the place inside there. So we need to check the oil in this little engine, make sure she ain't gonna blow up on us or something. And I don't know nothing about it. Whatever the EPA sticker on there, I don't know if he put that on there or what, but let's see where this thing's made at. I just called him up, was like, hey, we'll buy that thing when you get done with it. Here it is. It's a mini excavator model HT10, 12 horsepower, okay. It's made by Shandong High Top Group. Shandong.
Oh.
Got a Shandong HT10 right here, son.
A unit.
Sweet little unit. All right, so let's figure out how to check the oil in our Shandong, and we'll get this top off here because this thing can't get nothing accomplished.
No.
Nothing.
Yep.
All right, so first things first, I guess we'll go ahead and get the top off this thing so I can actually sit up on it and we can use it for something. We're gonna pull this cover off of here because I can see the oil dipstick down in there. And when he laid this thing back, I'll throw a clip in here. You see where it was just smoking a ton. That's because when he laid it back, all the oil went into the valve cover there, and then it went into the intake and it started burning all the oil. So we need to make sure this thing's full of oil before we keep running it and blow this little engine up in it. All right, let's get this rear cover off here real quick. This thing is a quality built machine. It's made out of that new metal you may have heard of it called Chinesium, I think it's called, something like that. So, you know, this stuff just holds up super well to abuse. I mean, look at the casting right here. That stuff's just top freaking notch, son. Let's put this thing to a hard day's work. Maybe, you know what we should do? We should dig a hole so deep that we can just bury this in it.
Oh, yeah.
So, like, it'd be like digging its own grave. First off, I've got to get this roll cage off of here because this thing is not made for tall people.
No.
All right, last one. We'll be able to check some oil. I'm sure Cody was checking oil very regularly on this thing. Like every time he started it up, he probably pulled this cover off like every time and checked oil in it. Awesome. Ooh, that boy's hot. Such a great design, you know, if you need to check your oil. Just an awesome design. Oh, it might be a little overfull.
Oh boy.
So they probably did fill it back up. They just dumped a gallon of oil in it and said, okay, it's full. Because it's pouring out. So we know it's full. It's good. All right, so we got the back cover bolted back on here. I seen there was like this hand throttle was like all loose and stuff. There's like a little bolt here. Maybe we'll tighten that out. That'll take care of our hand throttle issues. Check the full oil. I'm pretty positive it's really low on hydraulic oil, so we're going to try to do something about that next. There we go. Look at that. It's like brand new now, son. All right, hydraulic oil, and then we'll get this roll cage off. It's like a couple 17 millimeters. Boom! Now I can sit on it. I guess we'll put those back in. Now I can actually get up on this thing. Look at that. All right, so right here, see where it's got like a hydraulic temp gauge, but there's no oil in the reservoir, so we're gonna fill her up. So we ended up finding some spare hydraulic oil in a bucket because for whatever reason our tank isn't pumping right now, but it's full. You can see on the glass we got hydraulic oil in there now. Shoot. All right, so these levers are walking all over the place. We're gonna tighten these things up so they're not moving on us with the wrong size wrench, of course. All right, now we just got to fix that. That's a problem.
Oh yeah.
Cannot leave it like that. I was expecting this thing to be more destroyed. I'm kind of disappointed in Cody.
Yeah.
He could have done better.
Okay.
Ah, dang, this ain't rough. Hit it. There you go. Now it's in there like somewhere. Now the threads over here are completely wrecked. All right, we'll find an impact to fit this. Tighten her up. Good, I'm glad you found something to do. Oh, Randy. So look at this nut. I don't think it was ever even tightened. See how the nylon is still perfect in there?
Yeah.
But these threads over here are ram jammed. We're about to send her home. Headphone warning. We also can't put it too tight because then it may not work. Thing's awfully light on the rear. Should we check them all?
Probably.
Can't tighten them. I think they're all pretty much good. Yeah. All right, let's go dig a hole. I don't know how to do it. It's all backwards.
Making a mess. Uh-oh.
We might be stuck.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Oh. Oh gosh. Oh. Careful.
Shoot.
Oh shoot. There you go. Whoa.
So the little excavator came with a sweet toolbox. Check this out. Seatbelt. You don't need a seatbelt. Some looks like some cylinder seals maybe in case you blow a cylinder out. A grease gun. Some grease. You don't need no grease. See, we were probably supposed to grease this thing before we started using it.
Whoops.
There's a hydraulic filter there. Check that out. All kinds of other tools in here. Looks like some snap-on pliers made in China. Oh look, here's all the grease fittings that need to go on that machine.
Oh.
So I guess we'll finish burying it and then take it up there and put all the grease fittings in it and grease it like it's supposed to be greased. All right, guys, so we dug a hole. Now we're gonna drive this thing off in it. Let's see what happens.
Oh!
What's it doing?
Oh!
All right, I think I can bury it right here.
Yeah. Oh.
All right, since I got this thing too stuck to get itself out, we're just gonna pick it up. We're gonna pick it up out of here. It's probably ain't the best spot to pick it up, but you know what? Who cares?
We do not care.
Tilt it that way. Tilt it that way.
Oh. That thing is in there.
Hold it. All right, go down. Oh. Tilt it that way. Oh!
Oh, shoot.
Pick it up. All right, go down. All right, hold on. Down, down.
Son.
I think we ran out of gas.
I would say.
Oops. There we go, folks. Our little thing was out of gas. Poor little dude. This thing's a trooper for a Chinesium excavator. It's not bad. Get this whole cover back up. Give her a good cleaning. Our excavator operator finally showed up. Dang, that's a bad unit, son. Look at that thing right there. You come here to operate our excavator?
I thought you were talking about Nick.
I'm talking about that thing. Well, there she is, guys. We bought Whistling Diesel's mini excavator. We buried it, tried unburying it, didn't work out, so we used telehandler to get her out. I give this thing a solid 5 out of 10 for a Chinese excavator, you know? I mean, it's not for, you know, comparing it to an American or, you know, a non-Chinese excavator, because there's not nothing made in America anyways, but not a bad little unit, guys. It's got like maybe 5 or 10 hours on it. We scuffed the paint whenever we were digging around and stuff right there, so that's unfortunate, but hey. She's for sale, not on sale. You can find it at buytractor.com. Go on there, guys. Get this thing bought if you want it. We'll keep the roll cage. We got that box full of all the parts for it. For the small price of $9,999.99. And you can own Whistling Diesel's mini excavator. And, well, Bruce Wilson's too, you know. Hey. But also, go to brucewilsonshop.com, guys. Grab your merch. Get entered to win for the RC car giveaway and $1,500 in cash. Go to buytractor.com and you can see the excavator on there for sale. Catch you guys later. Peace.